Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As I told you last in my last video, I wanted to come by and I wanted to do, I offer one-on-ones, and I guess I wanted to show you a little bit exactly what will come with a one-on-one. Initially it will be, of course, explaining everything, seeing what works best for you, whatever questions you have, stuff like that. But it does take, a long time, 3 to 4 hours sometimes, So at the end of the day, I decided to break it down into 4 parts. And the first part, we're going to work on our eyebrows. So today's video will be a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I'm going to explain it step by step on how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so we're going to jump right in. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom. I just want to try something different. Let me know if this works or not. Just want to feel a different vibe, I guess. So anywho, we're going to jump right in with this video. Of course, before you begin any type of makeup routine, you have to make sure you start with the clean. With these videos, these are the things that I do. I'm not saying you have to do everything that I do or use the products I use, but it's just, this is the stuff that works for me. So yeah, you can use it or you cannot, or you can find maybe some of these tips I give you, you can find what works for you. That's the whole point, So anyhow, let's just jump right in. First things first is me personally. Like I said, you start off with a clean face, like I did, of course. And for some people, you can either go get your eyebrows waxed. Face is just easier for me to fill them in, but with that being said, I have to groom them sometimes. And yeah, I done took some off, especially if you can't see, especially right here. Like this is kind of like okay, and then like that. But as you can see, it's little hairs. I'm kind of wanted to grow out. I messed up. Get your eyebrows waxed. I don't, but you can. And some, like I said, if it looks like you don't need to fill them in, don't fill them in. This is what I do, and I have to fill my eyebrows in. So this video will be on how I fill my eyebrows in. Okay, like something that's gonna last 24 hours, waterproof. Just everything. I like something like that so I can have it on for a few days or whatever if I want. Not a few days, but so it can stay on all day, should I say. Now, I will say these are a few products that I had recently got, which I've probably seen, but these are some things that you can go try. Use the Maybelline Studio Finish. Tattoo Studio. I said Studio Finish. That's makeup. Yeah. Tattoo Studio, and this is, of course, as you can see from the top, dark brown. And I use it first, and then I put black on top, which I'm gonna show you exactly what I do in a minute. And this lasts, I think it's supposed to last for 2 days or 24 hours. I forgot, but yeah. So I like to use this, and it comes in a brush like so, and I would not recommend doing this. That's you put a little bit on your hand, you dip your brush, and you kind of do it that way. Then next they have this the same brand, Maybelline, and it's Tattoo Studio, but it comes in a pen like so, which is awesome. As you can see, it's awesome because you can define the hairs. Like, you can really define the hairs. Now, I haven't got it yet, but I need a black one like this. It's kind of light, as you can see, and mine's are dark, so you can't, like, I can't really see it for real, so I don't really bother with that. And then I have, like I said, pencils, and it's because I have ran out, but I do not recommend pencils, and I haven't used them. As you can see, like, brand new. I haven't used, like, because I don't like pencils. That's just me. But this is the Maybelline 2 Expert Wear. I don't know if it's 24 hours or not, but it's black. And then LA Colors eyeliner brow pencil, which, like I said, I'm just not a fan of pencils, so that's just my opinion. I don't really like them, so I'm not really going to talk about them too much. And the thing that I really love that I use, and I have to keep ordering, which I get it off Amazon, and no, you guys, these are not a paid promotion. I'm not getting paid to say any of this stuff. I'm giving you stuff for free, so you write it down, girls and guys or whatever write it down, you know. No, I'm just playing. But I get my eyebrow pencils off of Amazon. Like sometimes buying makeup for beginners can be very overwhelming because it is a lot of stuff and it's things that I'm still learning, and I've been in the game for a while now. You know what I mean? So but I got this off of Amazon. It's Max Donna eyebrow pencil. It really to tell you the truth, it really, I don't really, it's kind of just, this is how it was. Like it really, if you know Amazon, sometimes you just get what you get, you know what I mean? But I like it because as you can see, it's slanted and you just roll it up and bam. Like it's just perfect. It is so perfect, you know? So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you exactly how I would do my eyebrows. Again, this is something that I do. I take it up and I just go along what's already there. And as you can see, I'm starting in the middle. I'm not starting at the beginning. Some people start by thinking you should draw a line and go up like a box. In the middle, and then I work my way down. So I'm gonna show you. So, and then light. My hand, like I feel like with the pencil, you have no choice because it's so pointy at the top. You know what I mean? And so with this, I just kind of glide it lightly. And I bring it down. Bottom is, let me see. Sometimes I gotta, okay. So now we're gonna start with the bottom. We kind of did the top, easy breezy, boom, bam, bam. And then we're gonna do at the bottom. We're gonna start exactly where we was in the middle. And you're gonna lightly, where your hair starts. I don't know if you can see, but my hair starts like right here. So I'm gonna slightly go under it, slight, like I said, you know, make sure your hands are not like heavy. And then I'll slightly like draw kind of like an imaginary line. Just so you'll know. And you can see automatically it's starting to look. And then I go down, I meet. And I meet where my top one. So you kind of like drawing a line, like I said, a little dotted line to be like, okay. And then you're going down to meet up with the top first line like that. Okay, and now you're gonna kind of fill it in. And when you go at the top, like I told you guys about, you're gonna go down. Go down. No, I'll take that back. You're gonna start where the hair is, like so. You see I made it. And then I slightly. You don't want this as dark as this. You don't want your front as dark as your back. So one side of it's done, and then we're gonna go to the other side. Okay, so the same thing, we're gonna start in the middle. We're gonna slightly draw the line I was telling you about. Gonna go down, gonna draw, bam, one line. Okay. Then you're gonna start in the middle again. And connect the dots. And then fill in. Same, you're gonna slightly bring it down. Now that's when you get light-handed. And then you kind of just fill it in. Well, very light-handed. And that's that. Okay, so that's that part. See, I told y'all it's easy. It's easy. Easy breezy. I don't know if it's easy for me, but it was easy, right? Like, Okay. Now we're going to clean them up though. Clean it up. So now we're going to go with whatever concealer that you have. It could be the same concealer as your skin, because some people don't like it as light under because they want to blend it in with their skin and go, you know, throughout their day, because sometimes you don't want to wear makeup. As you can see, even with me just filling in my eyebrows, it enhanced my face a little bit, just a little bit more. So some people just do this and kind of just, you know, go or whatever, but I like to clean mine up because I'm about to finish my makeup so I can go or whatever. No, I'm just but yeah, so I like to clean mine up, of course. And with that, you use any concealer. It doesn't matter, any concealer that you want. It can match your skin tone. It can be light because you're going to blend it. As you can see, I've had this for a long time. But I take my LA Pro concealer in the color Almond. And of course, with a clean angle brush. Now, this right here, this can be tricky for a lot of folks. Now, I suggest you practice this before you just apply concealer like this on the back of my hand. I got my little angle brush. I got this is an e.l.f. small angle brush. And I dip it. Now with this, I don't go heavy, but I make sure, I'm gonna show you guys. I make sure both sides is covered, but I don't go heavy. So that's how I do it, like a little paint. And that's how it is. Okay. So right under the line you drew, and you'll be able to see it. You gotta have steady hands, folks. And you're just gonna go under it like you outlining it. And I go down real quick. And I do it real quick so it could be as perfect as it's gonna be. Like, to me, when people do it like bits by bits by bits, I'm like, so as you can see, I started again in the middle again, and I worked my way down. Now I'm going to work my way to the outer. And then with this, I just slightly, like I said, you have to have slight feather-like hands, okay, for the front. And you just slightly bring it, like I kind of just go along the flow. Okay. Bottom half done. So without even dipping it, you see I haven't dipped it not once again. Without even dipping it, I'm gonna take it on the top, start where it start, go like so, and just bring it down. Going all the way, you know, I just bring it in the front. I still haven't dipped it, you guys. And I just clean it up under. You go halfway under the line you drew, and go down. Sometimes you gotta do it again because I don't be as close as I thought. And then I go, bam. Like so. Okay, and I will say that is about it. As you can see, this is part of 1, how to do your eyebrows. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, my XO and XO squad, peace, love, and happiness from your lady, Mizz E. Love you guys. Bye.